My wonderful people. All right. So, still regarding the lawsuit our beautiful Queen May Aligwe filed against Juju Ekwensu's supporter Uncle Baba. I told you guys that today is the court case, and Uncle Baba was present at the court. I made a post where I showed you guys that how barrister Emeka Ogunye, being Queen Medicis case manager, dropped an update earlier today, telling us what we should expect from the court case from today's court case. And right now, Queen Medicis case manager barrister Emeka Ogunye don't drop another update telling us how the court went. Okay, he told us that the courts had adjourned the case because of some few things, because they want Uncle Baba and the other party to go and do more of a talk. And then the reason why they know they too harsh on Uncle Baba is because they don't hear say Uncle Baba don't apologize again. Uncle Baba don't apologize, and he's trying to make amends for his mistakes. And also they said that the judge was very angry at Uncle Baba, that they wanted to punish him for what he did, because the bail leave that they sent to him to save him the later reported to the judge that Uncle Baba called him an assassinator, a kidnapper, that the bail leave wanted to kidnap and assassinate him. So the court were very angry. They are still angry at him, but they allow him to go based on Queen Medicis case manager, And Uncle Baba should really thank his gods that May Edochie's case manager barrister Emeka Ogunye liked him. Honestly, hey God, if for suffer. And Queen Edochie's case manager don't talk a lot of things for this second update where he update us. The court has adjourned the case. Right now, we are waiting for the next step. Yeah, we are waiting for the next step. So I'm going to show you what Barrister Emeka Ogunye said in a short period of time. But then, before then, let me welcome you guys. Welcome back. This is Queen Nation Niger. Here we drum support for our beautiful Queen Edichie. So make sure you subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that when next I drop interesting gist concerning the Edichie's family, yourself will be one of the first person to watch our videos. Alright, without much talk, let's quickly dive straight to the cause of the video, which is showing you the latest updates concerning the court case today. Alright, it talks say updates on Uncle Baba's case. He said updates on Uncle Baba's case, learning legal tactics, a lesson on court strategy. He further said the court has adjourned the case. Today, Uncle Baba showed up in court by himself. He had received all the documents about the case. The court heard that he is trying to settle things with us, so the case was postponed to give the party more time to talk. Let me explain what happened today. Uncle Baba came to court alone without a lawyer. He felt safe because we promised that nothing will happen to him today. The bail leave even reported to the chief judge that Uncle Baba accused him of being a kidnapper, which made the court very upset with him. However, we decided that it was not necessary to punish him right now. He was able to live without any issue. Yes, he was able to live without any issue. Now, think about what could have happened if we had ignored his apology. If we had ignored his apologies and said, no, we are not listening to you, we will teach you a lesson in courts. Do you think he would have come without a lawyer? He probably would have run away, and if he had not shown up, things would have gotten messy. That is what he said. He further said the problem is that many of you struggle to understand what you read. Remember the court order I shared 2 weeks ago. It told us to publish the court summon in newspaper, which would have cost us ₦1 million. That would have been bad for Uncle Baba because it would mean his picture would appear in handcuff in the newspaper, but that would have cost us ₦1.5 million. Even though we could afford it, why waste that kind of amount of money? It makes no sense to have Uncle Baba show up voluntarily by himself being open to discussion instead of refusing to hear him out. And I hope you noticed that I posted a video of Uncle Baba explaining what a court case means. It says a court case is different from the nonsense you people believe. That was a really smart comment. I chuckled when I heard it and wish you all could learn from it. Many of you have never experienced a court case in real life, so you think it's like what you see on TV. By accepting to talk with Uncle Baba, I saved 1.5 million naira that would have needed to spend on the newspaper publications. This way, he didn't have to worry about his picture being in newspaper all over the world, and we didn't have to waste money. Always remember that lawyers see things differently from regular people. So it's important to ask questions and not assume that you should teach the lawyers their job. Today, we put the case on the right track without spending too much. Uncle Baba would be shocked to know how much we could have spent just to bring him to court. He wouldn't want us to spend more, and he also doesn't want to be arrested. So we found a solution that worked for both of sides. He showed up on his own, we save our money, and he keeps his freedom. So many of you would be willing to waste 1 million. How many of you would be willing to waste a million just to save Uncle Baba arrest, just to have Uncle Baba arrested? I need save that money and use it to catch Benjack and Spark Limited. Baba's case continue. As I told you, it involves a process. Alright, so this is the update that Queen May's case manager have for us concerning that court case. And I was so happy, I was so happy in this particular new development. I was really very happy, I was happy. I was happy when I heard this. Mr. Barrister Emeka Ogonye is really doing a great job. And God bless him. God bless him. For those of you who think Queen May, the case manager, doesn't know what to do, I think you are the one in dark here. Yes, seriously, you are the one in the dark. Because as a lawyer, in fact, be smart however you wish, like be as smart as whatever you can ever think of. If you smart pass person wey study, like if you pass smart pass person in his own profession, be lawyer una go dey teach the guy wetin to do, which is not fair. Allow him do his job. Personally, I cut gap for the man. The man na good man, he knows what he's doing. Now Uncle Baba worked alone. Uncle Baba trust in us now. He worked alone to the court. Meanwhile, if I don dey find lawyer, if I don't go spend money now, they find lawyer. I know all of us want him to spend money to pay for what he cost Queen May Edochie. He would have cost Queen May because he cost Queen May Edochie nothing. All his defamation did not touch anywhere because Queen May Edochie carried grace. So I know all of us want him to pay for what he did, for what he said to Queen May Edochie, because if not that God was with Queen May Edochie, all those things he said would have affected May Edochie negatively, making May Edochie to lose her contracts, deals, companies that had already signed her, and the rest of things, even ruin her future and that of her children. You get? So I know all of us want him to pay for this, but it is good to allow the lawyers, the legal team, to do their job. After all, I was not the one that was defamed or insulted. You were not the one that was defamed or insulted, right? It was Queen May Edochie and her legal team. So why don't we just give them this opportunity, give them this chance to do their job professionally? Yes, other than we interfering in this. Let's keep getting updates from this Queen May Edochie's case manager. Yeah. And I so much thank him that he keeps on giving us updates upon updates upon updates. The guy no be bad person, because if he's a bad person, by now for just stop to give us updates, about this case. If for just they run him on the background, but he's a good person. He keeps us updated. So if you keep on doing this, telling him to do how to do his job, he might stop giving us updates, and una go to believe all these fake bloggers and the rest of the persons where they deceive una with information. Here in this main nation, we offers you most real information. I know they get information from just bloggers. I get information from direct source. So make sure you stick around in this video. Make sure you stick around in this channel, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that when next I drop interesting gist concerning the ADG's family, you will be one of the first person to watch our video. What do you think about this particular development? See you guys in my next video.